In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of the GoGo ES2 portable mobility scooter by Pride Mobility. Once you empty the contents from the packaging, start by removing the foot platform by simply pulling up on it to expose the batteries. Connect the negative cable to the battery that was disconnected. Replace the foot platform. Install your seat assembly into the seat post and use the provided clevis pin to hold it into place and tighten down with the tightening knob. Next, install your armrest into the armrest mount. Tighten down and repeat on the other side. Install the front basket and your scooter is assembled. Be sure to charge your scooter for at least 4 hours before using it. If you have any other questions regarding this process, please call AutoMobility store at 1-800-431-3183.